Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic dentifrices and cosmetic preparations, in that specially facial cosmetics from pharmaceutics too. So the topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: classification of cosmetics, then facial cosmetics, in that face powder, rouges, cold cream, cleansing cream, vanishing cream, foundation cream, moisturizing cream. So the classification of cosmetics, it get classified according to three main types, that is according to their use, according to their function, according to their physical nature. So let's first see according to their use, the cosmetics classification according to their use. For the skin, for an example, cream, powders, lotions, deodorants, antiperspirants, etc. For the nails, for an example, nail polish removers, etc. For the teeth and mouth, examples, dentifrices and mouthwashes. For the eye, example, eye cream, eyelashes, eyeliners. For the hairs, example, shampoo, hair dyes, hair removers, hair tonic, hairsprays. Then second, cosmetics according to their function. Therapeutic function, example, antiperspirants and hair preparations. Protective function, example, face powders. Corrective function, example, again face powders. Decorative function, example, lipsticks, nail polishes and eyeliners, etc. See in the pictures, these are some cosmetic preparations. Cosmetics according to their physical nature. Aerosols, example, aftershave lotion, hair perfumes. Cakes, example, rose. Compacts, makeup compacts. Emulsions, example, cold cream, vanishing cream, cleansing cream, etc. Oils, example, hair oils. Pastes, example, toothpaste. Powders, example, tooth powders, face powders, etc. Solutions, example, aftershave lotions, hand lotions, etc. Soaps, example, shaving soap, toilet soap, etc. Sticks, example, lipsticks, deodorant sticks. Then facial cosmetics. Some face cosmetics used for facial purpose, for cleansing, refreshing and the nourishing effects. In that, first one, face powder, then compact face powder, roses, cold creams, cleansing creams, vanishing creams, moisturizing cream, foundation creams, eye makeup preparations, eyeshadow, eyebrow pencils, mascara, lipsticks, bleaches, shaving media, in that leather shaving creams, brushless shaving creams, shaving soaps, shaving sticks, aftershave products. In this session, we are going to see the only few facial cosmetics, that are face powders, compact face powders, roses, cold creams, cleansing cream, vanishing cream, moisturizing cream and foundation creams, and all other preparations will be seen in the another next session. So face powder. Face powder is a cosmetic preparation meant for improvement of overall attractiveness of the face. It is applied on the face by means of a powder puff and provides the visual covering to the skin and imparts the smooth finish. In that contains the talcum powder, kaolin, magnesium carbonate, zinc oxide, titanium oxide, starch, colors and perfumes. Types: light type, used for dry skin, large quantity of talc. Medium type, used for normal or oily skin, lesser quantity of talc with zinc oxide. Heavy type, used for very oily skin, it contains lesser quantity of talc and higher quantity of zinc oxide. General method of preparation of face powder are: all the solid ingredients are powdered and passed through sieve number 120. Mix them thoroughly, incorporate the required quantity of the perfumes and packed in a powder box. Formula: talcum powder 75 gram, kaolin 5 gram, chalk precipitated 5 gram, zinc oxide 10 gram, zinc stearate 5 gram, perfumes and color quantity sufficient. See the diagram. Compact face powder. See, it looks like this. Compact face powder is a dry powder which is compressed to form a cake and is applied with the help of the powder puff. In that, the suitable binding agents are added to the face powder to bind the particles of the powder so that the cake formed will not break after compression or during use. General method of preparation of compact face powder: All the solid ingredients are powdered and it is passed through the sieve number 120. Mix them thoroughly, add required quantity of binder solution and perfumes. Mix thoroughly to get the wet mass and compress the mass and dry to form the cake and transfer into suitable container. Formula for compact powders: the talcum powder 50 gram, titanium dioxide 5 gram, kaolin 15 gram, zinc oxide 10 gram, calcium carbonate 15 gram, starch 5 gram, binder solution 5 ml, perfume quantity sufficient. Formula for binder solution: gum tragacan 2 gram, glucose 5 gram, water 93 ml, preservative quantity sufficient. See this compact powder in this figure. Lakme's compact powder is given over here. Roses are applied to the cheeks for enhancing the face beauty. It imparts the rosy freshness, also add beauty. Roses are available in the solid, liquid and cream form. Color of rose vary from pink to red or reddish brown. The shade of the rose depends on the type and quantity of the color mixed with it. The dry compact rose is applied with the help of the powder puff. See the rose which is given over here in this figure. General method of preparation of dry rose. The formula: talcum powder 80 gram, zinc oxide 5 gram, zinc stearate 5 gram, rice starch 10 gram, perfume and color quantity sufficient. See this diagram of roses. Method: all the powders mix and incorporate with the perfume and color. The molded mass is pressed to expel the air from the powders. After the compact, they dried at the specific temperature to avoid dry mist and an undesirable top cast. Cold cream. OYW means oil in water. In this, oil is the internal phase while water acts as the external phase. Cold cream is also one of the type of emulsion. Cold cream is an emulsion which, when applied on the skin, a cooling effect is produced due to the slow evaporation of the water present in the emulsion. These are prepared by emulsification of oil and water. In olden days, the animal fat and the vegetable oils was used, but the vegetable oils have the rancid tendency, so they replaced by the mineral oils. Pond's cold cream, moisturizing cold cream. See in the figure. General method of preparation of cold cream: the herbal cold cream which is of Ayur. See in this picture. The formula: beeswax 5 gram, liquid paraffin 45 gram, white soft paraffin 10 gram, hard paraffin 7 gram, borax 0.2 gram, water 32.8 ml, perfumes and preservative quantity sufficient. Melt the wax, white soft paraffin, hard paraffin on a water bath. Add the liquid paraffin and heat the mixture to the 70 degrees Celsius. Dissolve the borax in the water at the 75 degrees Celsius and add to melted fats with the continuous stirring. Cool with the stirring to 40 degrees Celsius. Add the required quantity of the preservative and perfumes. Transfer the cream to the container while hot. Cleansing cream. See in the diagram Nivea cleansing cream wash which is given in this figure. Cleansing creams remove the facial makeup and keeps skin healthy by removing the grime, sebum and other secretions, dead cells. These are basically the cold creams containing detergent action. In case of OYW, that is oil in water type of cleansing cream, the twins are used along with the detergent to remove dirt. Twin 80-20-80. Like this, the pepsin is added to make the facial skin smooth. Types of cleansing cream: the liquefying cleansing creams, emulsified creams of oil in water type and emulsified creams of water in oil type. In this OYW, oil is internal phase, water acts as external phase. Oil is in lesser amount, water is in excess amount. And in emulsified creams of WBO type, in this water is the internal phase which is in a lesser amount and oil acts as external phase which is continuous phase which is in a excess amount. Liquefying cleansing cream, in that contains the simple mixture of mineral oil or the synthetic fatty materials. RX means take the isopropyl myristate 25 gram, liquid paraffin 25 gram, white soft paraffin 30 gram, paraffin wax 20 gram. Method: melt and mix all the ingredients at the 65 degrees Celsius, cool with stirring, and after over solidifying, transfer into suitable container. Emulsified creams of OYW oil in water type. RX formula is given here. Beeswax 12 gram, liquid paraffin 53 gram, bentonite 0.7 gram, borax 0.7 gram, water 33.2 ml, isopropyl alcohol 0.4 ml. Method: triturate the bentonite, isopropyl alcohol and the liquid paraffin, heat the beeswax at 75 degrees Celsius and dissolve borax with the water at 75 degrees Celsius and slowly mix with the oil phase with stirring until temperature comes down at 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius and then transfer into the final container. Then emulsified creams of water in oil type. RX, the formula is given: liquid paraffin 50 gram, paraffin wax 5 gram, bentones 0.7 gram, water 43.9 ml, isopropyl alcohol 0.4 ml. Method of preparation is: triturate the bentonite and isopropyl alcohol and some part of the liquid paraffin to disperse the bentone. Paraffin wax is the remaining part of the liquid paraffin heated at the 75 degrees Celsius. Then form gel, heat the water to 70 degrees Celsius and mix slowly with the oil phase with stirring until the cream is obtained. Then transfer into the suitable container. Vanishing cream, see the picture in this diagram. The Pond's vanishing cream is given over here. These are the OYW oil in water emulsion which when applied to the skin leave an almost invisible layer on it. Hence these are called as a vanishing cream. The main ingredient used is a stearic acid which gives the purely white shining appearance to the cream. These creams can be quickly washed off because it's OYW type. Oil in water, so water is the external phase, so that are easily washed. In that oil phase which melts at above body temperature, so it provides an invisible and non-greasy layer and produced very attractive appearance. Formula for this: stearic acid 18 gram, glycerin 3 gram, lanolin 2 gram, triethanolamine 1 gram, water 80 ml, preservative 1 gram, perfume quantity sufficient. Method: melt the stearic acid and lanolin, then mix the water, glycerin and triethanolamine and warm to the same temperature as that of the melted stearic acid and lanolin. Mix the two with continuous stirring and add the perfume and preservative. Mix them thoroughly in order to obtain a uniform product. Foundation cream, see in the picture. Olay foundation cream is given over here in this diagram. These are applied to face after cleansing to provide a smooth emollient base for facial makeup, act as a skin protective and prevent the damage caused by the sun or wind. Type are mostly available in oil in water type and WBO water in oil for the dry skin. In foundation cream contains fatty materials, stearic acid, glycerin, surfactants, preservative and perfumes. The fatty materials like beeswax, carnauba wax, lanolin, they act as an emollient. Formula for this foundation cream are: stearic acid 18 gram, potassium hydroxide 0.52 gram, sodium hydroxide 0.18 gram, cetyl alcohol 0.50 ml, glycerin 18 ml, water 62.2 ml, preservative and perfumes quantity sufficient. Method of preparation is: mix the stearic acid and cetyl alcohol and heat at the 75 degrees Celsius till homogeneous mass is produced. Dissolve the potassium and sodium hydroxide in the water and add glycerin. Heat the mixture at the 75 degrees Celsius. Then add this mixture to stearic acid solution and stir until the temperature is false at the 40 degrees Celsius. Then add the perfume and allow to stand. Then transfer into the suitable container. The moisturizing cream, these are the, see in the picture, Nivea soft moisturizing cream is given over here in this diagram. These are the designated to be left on the skin for several hours. These creams are applied at the night. The layer of the cream prevent the rate of the epidermal water loss, thus having the moisturizing effect. It keeps the skin surface smooth by its lubrication action. These creams contain the mineral oil, vegetable oil, lipophilic substances, humectant, that is glycerin, sorbitol, propylene glycol and water. So what we learned from this session: dentifrices and cosmetic preparation. From that facial cosmetics, the learning outcomes are classification of cosmetics and the facial cosmetics. In that specially we are seeing face powder, then next roses, then next cold cream, then cleansing cream, then vanishing cream, then foundation cream and the moisturizing cream. Thank you.